Welcome to the walk around for the early development of Renderments.org. What is OpenRen? Well, let's have a look on Twitter. Open Renderments is a type of government that's from a point of history unfathomably ahead to now for a refresh. There's a few articles I'm trying not to place on too much definition there. Basically, the closest word for me to government as a deep-throated, obviously, possibly been strange place for the deep throat. Anyway, closest word for me for government is Renderments. So instead of open governments, I think you should ditch the word government altogether and go for Renderments. The actual solid gold bar rendered on you. Your actual badge rendered on you, not just the govern of it. Well, what are you going to do about it? So I've been working on Renderments.org, which is so far it looks like this. You can download a certificate. But behind it, I've already put together the countries. See, let's just see how it says AU.renderments up here? And it says we're in Australia. Let's go to Iran. So we're running in Iran mode now. What about Ireland? What about what we didn't get the auto detect for, the flag? I think some funny weird, there wasn't a United Kingdom in the file, so it got, and there wasn't a single United States word, it was the United States of America, so it got Sunken Pirate too. So basically when a graphic designer logs in and has access, and you got the skull and the crossbones, it'll have a drop down box that allows it to update the flag with an SVG, which is what that is. So anyway, let's log in and have a look around. I've decided to use Zoops because it's got groups. Not a lot of them have grouping systems really all that well, and Zoops does. Those groups, see all these different groups here? There's different amounts of users in them. There's only 3 users on the system so far. But all these different departments, people can be in each group and have access to different features on here once we build them in. So when they sign up, they assign the groups they're going to select. And they can actually, at any point I'll show you, homepage, user profile, edit profile. Both the spoken languages and written languages, the settings, individual details. There's the groups. And they're not all showing, I have to make them show. So these account types here are the groups they're in. Once they log into the system, managers can assign them into different groups so they've got access to different things. This is the groups here. See how the user groups are here? These are all the different user groups people can be a part of. So once they sign up, they'll be told to set their ownership countries. So the countries governed by, I'm governed by Australia and the United Kingdom, for example. Countries I'm a citizen with, Australia and the United States. Countries you have family members in, I haven't set any of that yet. When you go through and sort of select what country, put in some tags associated with that. And that's your country allocated. I'll see if I can show you that actually. Maybe I can't. I don't know. Let's set this password. There we go. Let's see if we can see that now. It's not active yet. Hold on. Bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh well. I got a contract. So I can. So the idea of Renderments is they're going to log in and set up their countries. Then they have to join a department on there or create an institution and a department within it. Well, there'll be various institutions and you can either assign them or not assign them. And we're activating this. There we go, that's all I want. Okay, so I can now show you this. See how you've got your no governance institution. So I've got to set up the country that governs your username. So let's say Australia. This country for citizenship. Go. So there we go. So that's what I was talking about, how you first log in. That user wasn't active before. So now I've set that. So I've got the countries. So when this comes in, this address bar you see at the top here, once they've set their countries, they'll have to go and join a department. So the department will have a Unix name like so. Like let's say the DSTO in Australia, which the manager there that's signed up and a verified manager will have access to the zone on DSTO, and they'll be able to set the zone on dsto.au.renderments.org, as well as subdomains and MX records and so on and so forth on it, with our API that's going to be running it. It's all finished. Well, maybe we don't have internet at the moment. Oh, there's no internet. So I can't show you, but there's a Chrome Labs GitHub. You'll see the zones on there where it's finished. And next time I'll write the department module in here. Still thinking about that one. Which, you know, when you're setting up a department, you've got to set up a couple of different SVNs and stuff with it, as well as the location. So you might have to use either SourceForge or some other resource. I suggest you use SourceForge, it's great. It's private. You can turn the project off so no one can see it in the public. That sort of thing. Alright, thanks.